What's going on, guys? My name is Jared Poole, and I'm a student here at Texas Tech. And let me quickly introduce myself. About me, I'm a senior, and I'm actually graduating in August, thank God. I love tech, but I'm ready to be done. My major is communication studies, and I'm minoring in human resource development. I was born in Las Vegas, and I moved to Houston when I was about 15, and that's where I currently live. And a little fun fact: when I graduate, I'll be the first college graduate in my family, which is pretty awesome. Some hobbies about me: I'm very active. I play a lot of sports, play a lot of basketball. I'm very competitive. When I did live in Vegas, I did race professionally in Vegas and California, off and on. I like to watch a lot of sports, and I love to travel. And last, I included some pictures. Like I said, I love to play basketball. So the only picture I could find was a basketball picture of me in high school dunking the ball, which is awesome. The middle pick is my dog Dino, crazy goofball. And then the last and final pick is actually the reason I stopped racing. This is a totaled race car. My last and final race ever. Rolled it 8 times in the desert and had to call it quits. But that's about me, and I'm looking forward to learning more about you guys. Thank you.